Hey guys, Brian here with another tip of the day. We talked about one of the reasons that we use polyurethane foam instead of mud jacking or mud slurry in a previous tip of the day. The reason being, one of them was the weight. Our polyurethane typically weighs about 2.5 pounds per cubic foot. So if you have a box that's 1 foot by 1 foot by 1 foot, it'll end up weighing about 2.5 pounds with the foam. That same box with the mud slurry mixture is going to weigh close to 150 pounds. So you put that on soil that's already shown that it can't hold that weight with the slabs or sidewalks that we're releveling, and you know why we kind of shy away from that. And that's your tip of the day.